G'day everyone, welcome back to another day in the shed. If this is your first time checking out the channel, make sure you head back and have a look at all the other videos where I open up 4 new cameras every video. So I brought these online as a bulk lot and there's over 70 cameras, so make sure you check them out. Today we've obviously got 3 in the original cases, 1 in paper, a folding camera with branded Agfa on the front, a Voigtlander, and a Zeiss. So I might start off with the Voigtlander, and knowing my luck, it won't work because none of the others have been working. Of the Voigtlanders anyway. I never have much luck with Voigtlander, I don't know what it is. Just unscrew it. So we've got a Vito Automatic 1. Feels a bit stiff. We'll open up the back. Well, so far. So we've only got 3 shutter speeds, or 4 shutter speeds. We've got bulb and then up to 300. No, up to 125. So this one is it's either a really early one or it's a lower range because they've normally got a few more shutter speeds than that. But anyway, it does have a fast lens on it though at 2.8. It's also got auto mode, which obviously the name's auto. I'm not sure when the first automatic camera is, but this would have to be pretty early on. So we'll go down to the slow shutter speed, which was 30. And that worked. And then up to 125. Maybe my luck is turning, touch wood, with these Voigtlanders, because I did not have much luck with these. But that one seems to be working. I can't remember if I said what lens it is, but it's a 50mm f2.8. And it's actually in really good condition when you look overall. And like I said, it's got its original case, which is always very nice. We'll go to this fella. So we'll go to Zeiss. Zeiss container. Open up the back. I've only opened up the back and it's been filming it once, so I've only wrecked 1 roll of film so far. But that's really accurate. So that was f2.8 at half a second, and that seems to be working. We've got a 45mm f2.8 lens. Give you a look at that with a nice little rubber lens hood. What else we got? 300th of a second shutter speed, and up to, yeah, like I said, f2.8 right through the f22. So far, so good. I'll put the stuff back on just so I don't lose it. 2 from 2 so far. What's next? Which one's going to bring it down? I'll go this fella. You're going to like this. because I like this. Olympus OM1N. And some of the leatherette's coming off, so I might have to glue that back on, but that's all right. What else have we got? A 50mm f1.8 lens. Lens looks like it might have a little bit of dust in it, possibly. You can just see some speckles in there. It's an awfully large dial just to show you what ISO is. I don't know how to change it. Maybe you push that down. Don't know. What do we got? We'll go up to, so it goes up to thousandths of a second, which is rather nice. And that was obviously fairly quick. So you change the aperture on the ring on the front. We'll go f1.8 and we'll go down to 1 second just to see what it does. Beautiful. Really happy with this one. Be nice if the leatherette was not coming off it, but I should be able to glue that down. It's got a timer on it. Cool. All right, and we have a nice little Agfa folding camera with a pretty cool case. Don't know, I guess you would have put a light meter in there, maybe. Some little attachments. So let's see what's in it. Oh, the other thing, was it this one? Was I just saw there was an engraving on the bottom too. So I'm assuming someone's last name, New South Wales, which is the state that I'm in, and their phone number. So that's pretty cool. And this one looks like it has film in it because he's written so on the top. So I won't open up the back, but we can still check it out. If I can find how you open it. Oh, like that. So we've got a 50mm f3.5. With shutter speeds ranging from 300, probably down to bulb, I guess. Yep, down to bulb. And this one goes from 3.5 up to f16. So hopefully if it's got film in it, then it's a nice little user and he has previously shot film in it. So you would have to assume it would work. But anyway, four cool little cameras, and they all look like they work, which is a nice change. If the OM1 was in really good condition, I would have picked it as my favorite. But I'm going to pick the Voigtlander as my favorite just because it actually works. And I don't have many Voigtlanders that work. So, yeah, that's my choice. Let me know which one you would like if you had them. And look out for the next episode. Thanks, guys.